How to fix app not installed as package conflicts with an existing package. Hey everyone, today we're going to see how you can easily fix this error. So the very first thing you want to do is simply make sure that you don't have any other application installed on your device. So let's say if you're trying to install APK from WhatsApp, you need to make sure that your WhatsApp is uninstalled on your device, because what usually happens is if you still have WhatsApp, it's going to cause the package problem. So if you just long press on it and then go to app info, you're able to simply uninstall the application by tapping on uninstall down below. But if you don't see it here, you might also want to go ahead and go to storage, and then you can just clear data. So if you don't want to uninstall the app, you could just clear data, but you need to make sure that while you uninstall the application, you don't keep any data. So if I tap on uninstall, it's going to ask me to keep app data, but if you check this box, there are still going to be some packages from the app, so you don't want that. So don't keep any data. Click on uninstall completely, and you should be able to download the APK without any problem. And after uninstalling, you can just go to your file manager, go to your APK that you've downloaded, tap on it, and then tap on update. Now it's going to install your WhatsApp and you should be good to go. This is one of the few methods that you should be able to fix without any problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.